Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are the top stories of today. President Draupadi Murmu attends the 52nd convocation of the Punjab Engineering College, appeals to students to remember their duty towards their motherland. Home Minister Amit Shah chairs the 70th plenary session of the North Eastern Council in Guwahati. Session reviews execution of development projects. State mountaineer Tiklu Jarwa's body retrieved in Uttarakhand. Mortal remains of Jarwa set to arrive today. And Eid Milad-un-Nabi being celebrated today with religious fervour. Shillong joins in the celebrations. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu participated in the 52nd convocation and closing ceremony of the centenary year celebrations of Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh today. During an address on this occasion, the President appealed to students to always remember their duty towards the motherland. Murmu said that there should be more number of female students in technical educational institutes. The President also inaugurated the newly constructed building of the Chandigarh Secretariat. During a visit to the city, the President graced the 90th anniversary of the Indian Air Force at Sukna Lake, Chandigarh yesterday.
ये कॉलेज विद्यार्थियों को गुणवत्ता युक्त तकनीकी शिक्षा के साथ-साथ जीवन कौशल के शिक्षा देकर देश की सेवा में अपना योगदान करता रहता है। पीसी नॉलेज और एक्सीलेंस के एक उत्कृष्ट संसाधन के रूप में माना जाता है। मुझे विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में चंडीगढ़ शहर उच्च शिक्षा में उत्कृष्टता का केंद्र बनने के साथ-साथ टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशंस का केंद्र भी बनेगा।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah today chaired the 70th plenary session of the North Eastern Council in Guwahati in the presence of G.K. Reddy, Union Minister for Development of North Eastern Region, governors and chief ministers of 8 northeastern states. The plenary session reviewed the status of different projects in the northeastern region and deliberated on the progress of ongoing projects, confirmation of the proceedings of the 69th plenary meeting. There were presentations from the Ministry of Donor, NEC, the state governments as well as selected central ministries on various developmental initiatives and future plans for the northeastern region. Earlier, Shah on Sunday offered prayers at the famous Kamakhya temple, one of 51 Shakti Pithas atop the Nilachal hills. The body of Shillong-based mountaineer Tiklu Jarwa, who went missing since the Uttarakhand avalanche, was recovered on Saturday. Jarwa was among many other mountaineers who went missing after the avalanche hit them on Draupadi Ka Danda in Uttarkashi on October 4th. A pall of gloom descended on the family of Jarwa on Saturday morning when news broke out about the recovery of the Shillong mountaineer's body. According to H. Lingdaw, the sister-in-law of Jarwa, his body was identified by his brother-in-law Walambok Lingdaw on Saturday morning. Lingdaw said that currently formalities are being conducted and the last rites will probably be held on Monday. She lauded the MEGHALAYA government for its immediate response and assistance in bringing home the mortal remains of Jarwa. His mortal remains are scheduled to arrive today.
Formalities jatiye te kamlat doi kan poi hadu la shahi kasi mentang asmi te ka ladir pelak kapor ke hadu la shahi.
Eid Milad-un-Nabi, also known as Eid Milad, is one of the important festivals of the followers of Islam. The day marks the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad. Muslims across the world celebrate the day by paying tribute and show their respect, love and honor to the last prophet of Islam. Muslims of Shillong too joined the rest of the world in celebrating Eid Milad-un-Nabi. On the occasion of Eid Milad-un-Nabi celebration, the committee Shillong took out a peace procession. The procession, which started from Khan Masjid Barapathar, culminated at Madina Masjid, Dhobi Nohala, Shillong, after going through various parts of the city. Around 1,400 kilograms of marijuana was seized by authorities in the state have been destroyed in East Jaintia Hills on Saturday. Altogether, 1,477.76 kgs of marijuana was destroyed at Star Cement Limited in East Jaintia Hills by way of incineration, a statement from the office of the East Jaintia Hills Superintendent of Police said. The incineration of the marijuana was live-streamed for the regional meeting on drug trafficking and national security at Guwahati, which was chaired by Union Home Minister Shah in the presence of Chief Ministers, Chief Secretaries and DGs of the northeastern states. The 11th International Leo Expo commenced at Mulki Ground Sports Club, Shillong, with a colourful inaugural function on Saturday. The multifaceted expo will continue till October 24th. Business houses with their original products from Thailand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Afghanistan are participating in the expo. Gracing the inauguration of the expo as chief guest, former Minister and MLA Ampreen Lingdaw observed that the much-awaited event has become a part of Autumn Day festivities. Several prominent persons also attended the inaugural program. Urban Affairs Minister Sneha Bhalangdar yesterday witnessed the final match of the 14th U Kyang Nangba Memorial Trophy Super Division Football Tournament played between Latlabo SC and 7 Wasa United. The 7 Wasa United won the final via a 2-0 margin. Speaking at the prize distribution ceremony, Dhar stressed on the need to develop the present ground with a gallery and other requirements, saying that this would be of great help in the future to uplift sporting activities in the district. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 24.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 16.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 91%, dropping to 67% in the evening with rainfall of 1.5 millimeters. The forecast tells us moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for our viewers, here's a quick recap of today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu attends the 52nd convocation of Punjab Engineering College, appeals to students to remember their duty towards their motherland. Home Minister Amit Shah chairs the 70th plenary session of the North-Eastern Council in Guwahati. Session reviews execution of development projects. State mountaineer Tiklu Jirwa's body retrieved in Uttarakhand. Mortal remains of Jirwa set to arrive today. Eid Milad-un-Nabi being celebrated today with religious fervour. Shillong joins the celebration. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.